we'll guide you through how to access Namecheap Webmail. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Namecheap website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner and click on it. Enter your account credentials to log into your Namecheap account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here, look for the Domain List section on the left-hand menu and click on it. Find the domain associated with the email account you want to access. Next to the domain name, you'll see a Manage button. Click on Manage to see more options. Now, navigate to the Advanced DNS tab. Here, you should see a section labeled Mail Settings. Click on the Mail Settings drop-down menu and select Custom MX. This will allow you to use Namecheap's webmail services. After that, go back to the homepage and click on the Apps section in the main navigation menu. Under Apps, select Private Email, which will take you to the webmail login page. Here, you need to enter your full email address and password associated with the domain. Once you've entered your credentials, click Sign In to access your Namecheap webmail inbox. It's a good idea to bookmark this page for easy access in the future. Remember, if you ever forget your password, you can always reset it through the Namecheap dashboard by navigating to the domain list and selecting Manage under the appropriate domain. Then, in the Mail settings, you'll have the option to reset your email password. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.